Southern Machinery provides wave soldering machine for electronic manufacturing PCBA. Step 1 is the process of spray flux. The automatic spray fluxer produces uniform fine spray coverage of underside of each incoming board. Step 2, preheat process. The preheat area remains enclosed under glass during processing and preventing escape of hot air. As you can see, this is the third step of soldering process. The conveyor has high-low and left-right level adjustment option available. Do not hesitate to contact us. Visit our website and get the quote today.